Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 14 Ram. Let's take a listen, kind of show you the options. There's your blinkers working. Horn works. There's the radio. Heater fan. There you see your dome lights working. Left window, right window, left rear window, right rear window. Here's your mirrors working. All four ways on that one. All four ways on that one. So everything works on it. Got the lights on, show you the lights. You can take a listen, you can see it runs nice and smooth, no noises, no exhaust noise, no vibrations. Here's your tail lights and your license plate lights. So, you got any questions? Give us a call, 605-692-7010.